Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to use Telegram without using your personal phone number. Now, the first thing that we need to do is go to the Telegram app on your phone. Now, it will prompt you to start messaging. You just need to tap on that and it will immediately ask for a phone number. Now, there's two ways to use Telegram without using your personal phone number. The first way is to use your extra phone number. But if you don't have an extra phone number, there's a second way, which is to use a virtual phone number or a temporary phone number. Now, how to get a virtual phone number? That's super easy. You just need to go back to your home screen, go to your browser or Google, and search virtual phone number. It will provide you a list of apps that offers or provides a virtual phone number. You just need to select one and install it on your phone. Once installed, you just need to open the app, process through the app, and it should provide you a virtual phone number. Once you receive your virtual phone number, you just need to go back to Telegram, type in the phone number that the app provided you, and that should do it, and create a Telegram account for you without using your personal phone number. And you can receive your code there. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!